If OneNote is showing the "we couldn't open this page" error, don't worry about it. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple fix step by step. This issue can happen when a page gets corrupted, when OneNote gets stuck syncing, or when the app itself is running into a background process problem. The good news is that in many cases, you can recover the page without losing your notes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get right into it. First, we're going to try the safest recovery method, which is copying the broken page into a brand new section. Open the notebook that contains the page you can't open. Inside that same notebook, create a brand new section. This is important because we want to move the page into a clean area without changing the original notebook structure too much. Now go back to the section that contains the broken page. In the right side page list, find the problematic page, right-click it, and choose Move or Copy. When the menu appears, select Copy, not Move. Choosing Copy is important because it gives you a duplicate of the page while leaving the original page untouched. That way, if anything goes wrong, you still have the original version there. After that, choose the new section you just created as the destination. Once you've selected it, confirm the copy action. OneNote will create a fresh version of that page inside the new section. In a lot of cases, this is enough to bypass the error and reopen the page normally. Next, press Shift plus F9 to force a manual sync. This step is very useful because OneNote sometimes needs to recheck the notebook and refresh the data before the page can open correctly. Give it a moment to sync fully, then click the copied page in the new section and see if it opens cleanly. If it does, that's a great sign that the page content is recoverable. If the page opens fine in the new section, you can now delete the old broken copy from the original section. At this point, you've basically rescued the content and replaced the damaged page with a working one. If the page still doesn't open, don't panic. We still have another fix to try. Now let's handle a common background process issue. Press Ctrl, Shift, and S together to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, go to the Processes tab. Scroll down and look carefully for any instances of Microsoft OneNote, OneNote.exe, or OneDrive. Sometimes OneNote gets stuck in the background, or OneDrive can interfere with syncing and cause page errors. Right-click each OneNote-related process and select End Task. Do the same for OneDrive if it appears to be involved. Ending these tasks closes the stuck processes completely, which can clear up the problem when you relaunch the app. After that, open OneNote again and try opening the page one more time. In many cases, restarting OneNote after ending the background processes will let the app load the page normally. If the error was caused by a temporary sync conflict or a frozen process, this step often resolves it right away. If the page still won't open, you may need to keep working with the copied version in the new section or let OneNote finish syncing before trying again. A few quick tips can also help prevent this issue in the future. Make sure your notebook has finished syncing before closing OneNote. Avoid forcing the app to shut down while edits are still uploading. And if you notice a page becoming unstable, copy it to a new section sooner rather than later, because that can save you time and prevent data loss. So to recap, the main fix is to copy the broken page into a new section, force a manual sync with Shift plus F9, and if needed, end the OneNote and OneDrive processes in Task Manager before reopening the app. These steps solve the error for many users and can help you recover your notes safely. If this tutorial helped you fix the OneNote "we couldn't open this page" error, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more OneNote troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.